All right, guys. Now, standing next to me is probably Swaziland's favorite export, Mr. Tigi himself. Sands, how you doing, my man?
I'm great. And yourself?
I'm good. Ebubeleni Music Festival, your first time here, hey? I want to know, what do you think of the vibe? Like, Aban Basepai, do we bring it or do we just like bring it?
You bring it. Each and every time is way greater for me. I must say that the crowd was so electrifying. Even, I got entertained at some point. And almost missed entertaining the people. That's how great they were. The crowd was amazing.
Now I want to know, your set was absolutely amazing, by the way. And you had I talked to about him off camera. I was like, what was that Niger flavor? Where does it? It's like, no, that's Swazi flavor.
Yeah, that's the Swati. That's the Swati right there. It belongs to the kingdom.
It belongs to the kingdom of the Swati. I want to know, when you are back home, like, how do people receive you? Can you still like walk in the streets of Swaziland and go buy bread? Or are you like it's sands?
Well, I try to get the bread to my house, but
it's tricky.
you gotta know the times. But yeah, at least at home, Swaziland is not a huge place. The people are quite very appreciative. You get stopped everywhere. So at least I appreciate that they are appreciating, what we have done and what we still do for the country.
Zalwam, what's your name and how are you enjoying the showcase so far?
My name is Nandi and I'm enjoying the show. We've been attending the show for the past 6 years. We're the loyal members on the show and attendants on the show. We love Ebubeleni and we're having a great time.
You see, loyal people, loyal fans, loyal followers. Now, from the showcase that we've had today, moving on, okay? 1, what have you liked or enjoyed? 2, what are you looking forward to the program here, Namhlanje?
Okay, we've enjoyed San's performance and we're looking forward to Leta and Babu Kaifas. They're just going to come on stage and we're looking forward to other shows with a big lineup. This year, the lineup is not too big, but we're looking forward to big lineup, and it's nice and organized this year.
All I know, this is turn-up season. OTE, nigga, pledge allegiance. Thanking God that a nigga living on low. Gotta be turning these levels up.
As you can hear in the background, Ufotloza is doing the most right at the 6th annual Ebubeleni Music Festival. Kumnandi balapha, man, 30th of December. There is no better way to shut down the year. Next to me, though, is a couple of guys who are also going to be gracing the stage a little bit later on, as the SA, as well as Isaac Wilson. Man, how many people out here?
I think it's the second time, actually. Only second time. And man, it's good to be here. It's awesome.
And what makes you keep accepting the bookings for Ebubeleni, man?
I mean, because it's the biggest event in Cape, possibly in SA, so who wouldn't want to be performing it?
True that. Isaac, is this your first time out here, man?
Yeah, most definitely, it's my first time.
Okay, I feel like you actually deserve it because I've been hearing a lot of good things about this guy. Are you excited about it? What can we expect from your performance on stage?
Yeah, man, it's basically the usual quality. That's what we base our performances on. And yeah, man, me and Azzy, I'm actually here to be a supporting act to Azzy. So this is the main guy. This is his time. And yeah, man, we thank Ebubeleni for the platform.
Now this is an interview I've been wanting to do for the longest. Something Soweto right here at Ebubeleni Music Festival, the 6th annual. They bring the biggest festival in the city is bringing the biggest artist of the year. My man, how you doing?
So you think I'm the biggest artist of the year?
Right now, trust me, Vanamali is going to do big things, song of the year. Like, you're doing the things, man.
I'll receive that, my brother. Thank you.
Sending it out.
Yeah, I'll receive it.
Speaking of Vanamali, I want to know, did you anticipate the success of that track?
Yeah, I always say yes and no. When we make songs as artists, we always hope that they're as big as Vanamali. But often, experience has taught me that it's not every song that does that. So yeah, I mean, I hoped for it, but didn't expect it.
Now, when it comes to your smash hit that introduced you to like most of South Africa who didn't know you, you know, from the Fridge and the Soil days, there's a line pa Vanamali. Is it ngiyamthatha ngoDecember okanye ndiyemthatha ngoDecember? Because there's this huge argument going on in the streets. Everybody sings it their way. What's the actual way?
You know, I said Nyamtata Ngotisem, which was Zulu.
All right, so guys, I am taking her in December. Masitsho ngesilungu. Sam, for everybody who wasn't here, just let them know on what they missed out.
Well, they missed out they're gonna definitely miss out on a great performance with my two-piece band.
At Something Soweto on social media. That is SAM Thing Soweto all over.
Freedom. Oh, they want freedom. But none of these girls gon' give it up for freedom.
How are you enjoying Ebubeleni this year?
Great, man. And the local talent has been great. There was a lady there who sang a song by Brenda. And yo, she took the house away, man.
You've been here for some time, okay? What's your highlight of the showcase so far? And what are you looking forward to?
The thing is, my highlight was 156. Those three guys from the idols, Loiso, Keegan, and Bevan. They killed it.
Right now next to me is everybody's favorites. Everybody remembers them from that competition, Idols. They stole entire South Africa's hearts, and right now they're next to me. They were in the competition separately, but have decided to join forces and do bigger things. 156. Guys, I want to know, fashion, guys, like in the Wangu game, you got it out here. Who is the one behind this?
Actually, we have a stylist. His name is Litoka Percy, yeah.
Yeah, the guys, they've made it in life. They've got stylists. That time. Guys, talk to me about your set. What can we expect?
Well, we expect, like, people can expect something different from us. We bring ourselves today. We're doing international songs and as well as home. I think a lot of black people will be surprised seeing me doing black songs. So I'm excited for that. But they can expect a variety of upbeat songs and slow songs. So yeah, we're just gonna do an amazing set, man. Do like a whole round.
Guys, thank you so much for coming through and speaking to us. Is it your guys' first time at the Ebubeleni Festival?
Yeah, it definitely is our first time. I mean, we're so excited, you know. We do a lot of shows in PE since last year. We've been doing a lot of tours as well, and most of our shows happen to be in PE.